Confused about what to have for your new driveway installation? Well, here are the top 10 reasons to go for decorative concrete. 1. Maintenance free. No weeds, no sinking, no ants. 2. Oil stains will wipe right off. 3. These driveways are designed for highway use. 4. They will not discolour. 5. There are no loose grout. 6. Permanent fixture and will last over 30 years, so will add value to the property for years to come. 7. Non-slip textures, making it ideal for wet and frosty conditions. 8. Fast installation. 9. With over 50 designs and 30 colours available, your only limitation is your own imagination. 10. Value for money. There are no other products on the market that can compete price-wise, so be sure to contact us today for a quotation for your new installation.